12 meter long, 9 meter broad, and 8 meter high. Find the length of the longest bamboo pole that can be placed inside it. Okay, so I have to take a room. I have to take a room, and it should have length, breadth, and height. Length, breadth, and height. So this is about the breadth. This is a closed room. So you can see this is the height, this is the length of the room, this is the breadth of the room. Okay, they have given the values, length, breadth, and height. They have given the values, and the values are different. Okay, values are different, so they are not equal. So it can be called as a cuboid. It can be called as a cuboid. Okay, and what they want, find the length of the longest bamboo pole that can be placed inside it. Inside it means inside the room, inside the cuboid. So you connect opposite vertices inside the room. Okay, that becomes the longest line possible inside the room. So this is called diagonal. We are supposed to find the diagonal, length of the diagonal. So diagonal in the case of cuboid, it is given by L square, B square, H square. That is the formula we have seen. L square, B square, H square. That is the formula we have seen. In the case of cuboid, okay, cuboid diagonal is square root of L square, B square, H square. Now substitute simplify. We will be having the final answer. You check the units, all of them are in meters. All of them are in meters. Otherwise, you have to convert them to single fashion. All of them should be in centimeters or in meters. Okay. So now this is 12 square and 9 square and 8 square. And it becomes 144 plus 81 plus 64. Add them, it becomes 9, 14 plus 4, 8 and 2. 289, square root of 289. Okay. So if you see 17 into 17, 7, 11, 7, 1, 7, 8. This is 49. 7 sevens are 49. So here it is 2. Okay, 289. So diagonal is nothing but 17. Square root of 289 is 17. So what about the units? What about the units? So if you see here L square you are doing, so the units are meter into meter, meter square, B also meter square, and H also meter square is present inside square root. When you remove square root, it becomes meter. When you remove square root, units become meter. Now I am going to the next problem. In the case of cube, this LBH will be equal. In the case of cuboid, they are not equal. I am going to next question. The volume of a wall, 5 times as high as it is broad and 8 times as long as it is high is 128 cubic meters. Find the breadth of the wall. Find the breadth of the wall. So if you see here, the sentence is little twisting or not easy to understand, not in a straight way. Wantedly, we are not changing the sentence as it is. We copied from some books or internet, because you will face such questions in writing examinations. You should be able to understand. You should go through the question once or twice, then it will be easy for you to understand. Now, if you see the starting of the sentence, the volume of a wall is given. Volume of a wall is given. Ending of the sentence, they are giving is 128 cubic meters. Is 128 cubic meters. So I am writing volume equal to 128 meter cube. Okay, this is given detail. This is given detail. Okay, so they are starting the volume of A, and value is given at the end of the sentence. Now I am going to wall means it will have visible height. Okay, volume wall means it will have visible height. Okay, then length based on our requirement. Breadth will be very small. Breadth of the wall will be very small. Length of the wall based on requirement we will build it. Length of the wall based on requirement we will build it. This is the wall. Okay, This is height of the wall, length, and breadth is very, very small. Breadth is very, very small for the wall. Still, it is cuboid. Okay, LBH are different. So it is cuboid only. And the thing is, height will be visible and breadth is very small. Length is depending on our requirement. We will build the length of the wall. But it is also a cuboid only. Now what they are telling about this cuboid or the wall, so 5 times, you read the sentence after comma, 5 times as high as it is broad. Okay. Height is 5 times the breadth. 5 times the breadth. And after and 8 times as long as it is high. Okay. Length is 8 times high. You read the sentence once or twice, you will understand, because such a complex, not easily understandable sentences we will come up now and then. So you should get familiarized. That's why we are keeping as it is, not making it, changing the sentence and making it easy for you. Okay. Now 8 times as long as it is high. For example, if I tell you your height is, sorry, your height is twice as that of my height. Your height is twice as that of my height. You have to write your height equal to 2 times my height. Okay, the same like that they have given. All these are given details. Now what they are asking, B value. What they are asking, B value. Okay, we already know volume of cuboid or volume of wall. Volume of cuboid or volume of wall is nothing but LBH. Value is given 128. Value is, sorry, this question where I have taken the value, they have given it as 12.8. I thought of changing it but forgot. 12.8. They have given in the paper like that. So I thought of changing it, forgot. So 12.8 is the value they have given, volume. 12.8 is the value they have given. Next, what I will do, I know the relation between L and H. So I am writing 8H. I will retain B as it is. For H, I will write 5B. It is 12.8. Next, in the place of H again, I will write 5B. And then B is there. 5B is there. 12.8. Next, if you see left side, 25 into 8 into B cube, which is 12.8. Okay. Then B cube is nothing but 12.8 divided by 8 into 25. If you cancel with 4, it is 4 2s are. Numerator is 3.2. Again cancel with 2, 2 1s are, and 1.6. What I am left out with is B cube equal to 1.6 divided by 25. 1.6 divided by 25. You cancel with 25, let us check. It is 0. Okay, 0. 0. With 1.6, we have no simplification. If I put one more 0, it becomes or. So for easy understanding, I will do like this. For easy understanding. So you can multiply numerator and denominator with 10. Okay. 25 into 10. The 10 I will put as it is. Remaining thing I will just cancel. Okay. Remaining thing I will cancel. So here 25 ones are. Here it is 0.160 means 6 times 150. 10 is there. Then 4 times. Okay. And 0.64 divided by 10. The value is 0.064. 0.064. Now what I will do, B cube is 64 into 10 power minus 3. I will write this as 4 cube into 10 power minus 1 whole cube. I will combine them, 4 into 10 power minus 1 whole cube. Left side I am having B cube. Okay, A power m into A power n is A power m plus n. That's why I have just, okay, I have just combined the bases, put the bases together, power I have taken a single thing. Now B value equal to 4 into 10 power minus 1. You can see the answer, it is in meter cube. Okay, answer is in meter cube. So the value what I got is 0.4 meter. 0.4 meter. If in the options 4 answers are in centimeters, multiply with 100. Okay, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So it is 0.4 meters, otherwise 40 centimeter. 0.4 meters, otherwise 40 centimeter. Okay. Now I am going to the next problem. I am going to the next problem. Find the number of breaks. Find the number of breaks, each measuring 24 centimeter, 12 centimeter, 8 centimeter. 24, 12 and 8 centimeter.